Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, fog lamps. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.